Have you ever wondered what truly makes a woman think about you nonstop, even after she swore she moved on? Have you ever felt like you were always the one chasing, while she remained calm, distant, and in control? Picture this. You, the guy she can't stop thinking about at 2 a.m., the one who occupies her thoughts without her even realizing it. By the end of this video, you'll experience a shift in mindset so powerful that she'll start missing you so much, she'll wonder why she ever let you go in the first place. And the best part? It's not about playing mind games. It's about becoming the man she'll realize way too late was irreplaceable. Let's get into it. 1. Master the power of absence. Think about it. How can someone miss you if you never leave? When you're always available, your presence starts to lose its impact. It's like playing your favorite song on loop. After a while, it just becomes background noise. But the moment you pull back, even just a little, you create space. And in that space, that's where curiosity, nostalgia, and desire begin to grow. Here's the truth. When you're not constantly around, she starts noticing the silence. She'll replay your old conversations, scroll through your messages, and wonder what changed. This isn't about disappearing or ghosting. It's about being intentionally unavailable. It's a power move, not a game. Leave emotional echoes. What if I told you that the real secret to making her miss you isn't about what you say? It's about how you make her feel. It's about creating powerful emotional moments she can't shake off. Maybe it's the way you looked at her when she laughed, or the way you believed in her when she doubted herself. These aren't just memories, they're emotional echoes. She'll feel them in quiet moments when you're not around. That's how you stay in her mind without lifting a finger, haunting her heart with the emotions you left behind. 3. Be unbothered, not cold. The key here is simple. Show her, I care, but I don't chase. I value you, but I value myself even more. That tiny shift in energy, it hits hard. Suddenly, she's questioning everything. Why isn't he running after me? Did I misjudge him? And that's where the magic happens. Missing you doesn't just start. It turns into an obsession. 4. Be a man of depth, not just looks. Looks can catch her eye, but depth captures her soul. Over time, appearances fade and conversations blur, but a man who challenges her mind, who truly sees her, she'll keep craving that connection over and over. And remember, depth isn't about oversharing your life story. It's about being genuine, thoughtful, and fully present. Make her feel like no one else has ever understood her the way you do, and she'll never forget you. 5. Put your purpose first, always. When your purpose comes first, everything changes. You stop chasing and start building. You're moving forward, growing, evolving. That energy, it's magnetic. It shows her and everyone else that you're a man on a mission. And trust me, there's nothing more attractive or unforgettable than a man who's too busy leveling up to beg for attention. 6. Be the emotional leader. Most guys make the mistake of following a woman's emotional lead. They react, they panic, they chase when she pulls away. But a high-value man, he stays calm, grounded, unshaken, and that unbreakable calmness, it's powerful. It's magnetic. It shows her that you set the tone, and that's the kind of energy she can't help but be drawn back to. 7. Show her she's no longer the priority. This one might hurt her ego, but it's powerful. If she pulled away, It's time to stop making her the center of your world. Stop checking her stories. Stop overthinking every missed text. Shift your focus back to yourself. When she feels that she's no longer your priority, that's when the real fear of losing you kicks in. Be a rare energy. What's rare automatically becomes valuable. Most women are used to the same old patterns: endless compliments, obvious thirst, and desperate energy. But when you move differently, when your vibe feels rare and real, you don't just catch her attention, you stay in her memory. Be the man she can't find again easily, and she'll never forget you. 9. Let silence do the talking. Sometimes the silence says more than words ever could. Let her feel the space your absence leaves behind. That emptiness, that's where the missing begins. When you're not there, she starts realizing what's truly missing, and that's when the longing grows stronger. 10. Mirror her effort. Too many men overgive, hoping it will make them unforgettable. But here's the truth. If she's giving you 20%, stop giving her 100%. Mirror her effort, not to punish her, but to protect your own peace. When you do this, you show her that you have boundaries, and boundaries make you unforgettable. 11th, be the one who got away and meant it. You're not waiting for her to realize your worth. You already know it. You don't beg to be remembered. You become unforgettable by how you live, how you love, and how you let go. That's the ultimate shift from chasing to choosing. When she realizes she can't reach the man she once took for granted, that's when she'll miss you the most. Here's the truth. You don't make a woman miss you by trying. You do it by becoming a man she can't forget. Focus less on reactions and more on transformation. Be the man who moves forward so confidently. She has no choice but to look back. For now, subscribe and watch this short video.